Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to make car wrap concept in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the car. After make a perfect selection of the car, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now import the wrap design. So go to File, Place Embedded and import the wrap design. And transform it to the car size. Hit enter. Create a clipping mask and change that blend mode to multiply. Go to blending options. Move the white underlying slider to the left side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click. Hit OK. And wrap design is added on a car. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.